Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Android phone stuck on power off screen. Some users say that their Android phone is stuck on the power off screen. From this sentence, it may mean that when the phone tries to shut down, the screen stays on a certain animation or background picture and cannot continue, resulting in failure to start normally, or Android phone gets stuck on power off screen. If you are watching this video, then this video will tell you how to solve Android phone stuck on shutting down screen. This video is suitable for mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently and try the solutions in the video to fix Android phone is freezing on the power off screen. Next, I will analyze the possible reasons. Common system problems, software conflicts, and hardware failures may cause Android phone is stuck in the shutting down phase. For example, compatibility issues after system updates, or an application affects the shutdown process. In addition, battery problems may also cause abnormalities. There are many situations where the phone is frozen and won't turn off. The following solutions can help you get Android phone out of stuck power off screen. We will list the possible reasons and corresponding solutions in points, so that Android users can troubleshoot the problem and fix Android phone stuck in shutdown. This method is very simple and you can try it with confidence. Among them, restoring the phone to factory settings will cause the Android device to lose all data. If you have data that you need, please back up the data first. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like, or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to force restart. The problem of Android phone is frozen on power off screen is puzzling, but this problem is usually easy to solve. Force restarting an Android phone can solve most software or temporary malfunction problems. It is simple. Just press the force restart key combination at the same time. Now follow my steps and try it. The combination key for Samsung phone force restart in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination key of your phone to force restart for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. After waiting for the restart to complete, shut down the phone again to test whether the problem is solved. Method 2 is to charge the phone. Shutting down an Android phone but get stuck may also happen when the Android phone battery is low. To troubleshoot this problem, charge the Android device with the original charger for at least 1 hour, and then see if the Android phone returns to normal. If this method does not work, you can also wait for the Android phone to be completely drained, then charge it again and try to turn on the phone. Method 3 is to troubleshoot and delete applications. If your Android device has recently downloaded some third-party applications, they may also cause the Android phone power off screen stuck. These third-party applications may not be compatible with the system or affect the shutdown process, resulting in the visual perception that the power off screen is stuck on Android phone. To troubleshoot this problem, the best way is to enter safe mode. Safe mode turns on the Android phone without any third-party applications running, and safe mode is not interfered by third-party applications. To enter safe mode, follow these steps. First, make sure the Android phone is off, then press and hold the power button. When the phone logo appears on the screen, release the power button and press and hold the volume down button. If done correctly, your Android phone should turn on and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If no issues occur in safe mode, it is possible that a third-party app is causing compatibility issues or affecting the process. Finally, delete the suspected apps one by one and verify again. If you want to exit safe mode, just restart your Android phone. Method 4 is to update the system. You can recall if you have not updated the Android system for a long time. For older versions of the system, it may have some issues that affect the shutdown process. If so, update the Android system to the latest version immediately, which may have fixed the problem. To update the Android system, open Settings, scroll down to find and select Software Update on the settings screen. Then check if there is a pending update. If so, download and install the software update immediately. To ensure that the update is not interrupted, connect the charger to the Android device. After the update is complete, try to shut down again to check if the Android phone keeps staying on the power off screen problem is fixed. Method 5 is to hard reset the Android phone. When none of the above solutions work, you can only restore the phone to factory settings to fix Android phone stuck on power off screen. This is the last step you can take. A hard reset can solve most non-hardware problems. However, restoring to factory settings will also delete all the data on your Android device. If you have data that you need, back it up before resetting your Android device. Otherwise, all your data will be lost. Next, follow the steps below to restore your Android phone to factory settings. Connect your phone to your computer. Make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not release them during this time. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option and press the power button to confirm. After that, use the volume down button again to select restore factory settings and use the power button to select the yes option to confirm. The reset process will be triggered and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once completed, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will turn back on and enter the home screen normally. After completing the setup, try to turn off your Android phone again to test whether the problem is fixed. Method 6 is hardware detection. When factory reset doesn't work, you need to turn your attention to the hardware. Since you may not be able to detect hardware problems, you need to take your phone to a brand service center and have a technician help you check the can't turn off Android phone problem. As a final tip, regularly clearing the cache and checking for updates will allow you to use your smartphone better. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comments section. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.